Hi. Before we get started in this course, I would really like it if you'll jump in and introduce yourself in a very short paragraph. Tell me a little about you, why you bought this course. Did you take it because you were curious? Maybe somebody recommended it to you, or because you really need to learn something new in order to improve your life. What are your objectives and what are your expectations? Also, it's a great way to give all the other students a chance to know more about you. You might help each other, establish new connections, and so much more. You can raise questions about the lecture, send some honest suggestions, or ask for other opinions, because the reality is our perspective might be slightly different about some concepts. Nobody is perfect, and everybody sees things in their own unique way. This should challenge us to communicate more and find answers together. Of course, I'll always be here to help you with anything you need, and I will do my best to answer all your questions as soon as possible. So the next time you have something to share, please don't hesitate to open a new discussion in the dedicated section anytime you want. Now, if you don't know where you can find this section, take a look at the top right part of your screen. There you should see a small menu. If you click on the third button, the comment section will open. Share your ideas, your thoughts, and everything you'd like there. Maximize your learning process by getting involved in this course and start engaging with me and the other students. Thank you again for taking this course, and let's start our journey